Yeah. Hey, what is up, everybody? Take a look, man. I got a small haul right here. These ones I acquire. What is today? Today is Monday. Yeah. So these ones I got last week during the weekdays. And I also got a haul this weekend, which was a man. I ain't gonna tell you about it. You guys will see it. But take a look, man. I grabbed these 9 castings. And take a look. This is the 70 Buick GSX. Very nice, of course, man, in the package. But take a look. If you guys can see the back, looks like the paint got smeared. But that will happen if you leave your castings in the card. I mean, they are dust free, but they still take some damage. I'm guessing for laying in a weird position or whatever, the heat, I don't know, man. The weather makes an impact on these castings, on these carded castings. So yeah, but I mean, let's talk about the casting. Take a look at the blue interior, man, and the flames. It just looks nice. What I like about this is the rim as well, man. The outer, the lip, what is known as a lip for the rims. That's very nice in blue. Overall, this is a great casting. I think I sent one of these to Mike Dyson. Go check out his haul. I mean mail call. I'll put the link on the description. But we sent them quite a bunch of loose castings and a few of the carded ones that he really likes. And for the loose ones, I try to send him the flames, because that's what he likes, man. He likes old school cars or castings with the flames. So I thought one of these was in the, I believe one of these was in the haul or in the box. And take a look at this one, man. Very nice 70s Chevelle. Damn, I'm guessing this, I bet he would love these castings, man, for sure. That's what he likes, man. Damn, I hadn't realized these has flames. But yeah, man, 70s Chevelle. Very nice, of course, with the red interior. Yeah, this thing looks like muscle car, man. Definitely muscle car. And take a look at this, man. This is the Mustang. Not a big fan, but the hood opens. Very nice casting, of course. And let's see, what does it say? Oh, it just says Hot Wheels. And I like these the Star Spangled too. Very nice, of course, with the white. Man, take a look at the interior. That thing is spot free. Very clean, man. Very nice, of course. Yeah, this is an older model Mustang. And take a look at this Firebird 77 Pontiac. Take a look, man. This thing is amazing, of course. Flames. Take a look at the interior. Very nice. Yeah. And the wheels, they really look great. No typos on the front or the back, but I mean, what more you want? This thing is up on the fire. Take a look at those flames. Very nice, of course. Take a look. Also, I got a bread box paint. Very nice bread box, man. Take a look. Hot Wheels City. And also we have the 65 Chevy Impala. Very nice Chevy, man. Take a look at the interior. Tan looking. All those flames, man. This thing is really low. You can tell by the tires. Damn, this thing is amazing, man. Amazing for sure. Yeah, take a look, man. This thing is really nice. Of course, gold base. Damn, that chrome. And take a look, what's up with that hood? Looks like it's been opened several times. It got a little dent. But damn, this thing is sweet. Very nice casting, of course. Let's take a look, man. Off-road Toyota truck. Very nice casting. And Falcon tires, man. Damn, this thing is sweet. Very nice tampos, of course. This thing is pretty much all around. Yeah, this is a 5 out of 10 Hot Wheels speed graphics. Take a look, man. What else we got? Yeah, take a look at this, man. Hot Wheels Racing 1270 Chevelle SS. Same like the one over there. But take a look, man. This thing is real mean. I like the Hot Wheels graphics on the sides. And take a look at that hood with the number 9. Very, very nice. Of course, red interior goes well. And the number 9. Very nice, of course. And last but not least, another Chevelle SS, man. Take a look. Yeah, man, this thing is super nice. Very nice. It's not as low as the Impala, but it is quite low, I guess. It could go lower, but nevertheless, man, with the chrome. And take a look at the engine. Yeah, this is very nice, of course. Chrome interior, light blue tint. This thing looks clean. These things looks clean, of course. Just the white and the light blue tint, very clean. And the chrome, and the base is black. Sweet casting. And that's all I got, guys. That's it pretty much. And I know you guys have seen probably my the last 2 videos of these chasers, the M2 chasers. With man, take a look. Very nice pieces, of course. I think I did give this casting enough time, camera time. But here's a cool thing, man. Let me see. It was the same night I went to the store. This one was purchased at 9:25 pretty much. And then I grabbed dinner, came home and ate, put the kids to sleep, and then I went to the Walmart and I bought these M2 at 11:35. So yeah, this one was pegged already. This one I unboxed pretty much at the store. 750 pieces. And take a look. It's got a Chevrolet Impala 1958. Very nice casting, of course. And I wish I could open it, but I'ma just keep it as is. Yeah, very nice. Very, very nice. But anyways, see you guys, and stay tuned, man. I got a big haul that I got over the weekend. I'll probably say 50 castings carded. Take a look at my son, man. He's, a ver, ponlo aquí. Yeah, he's trying to show you his, ¿qué es eso? NASCAR? Oh, NASCAR M&Ms. Yeah, very nice. NASCAR with the M&Ms. He really likes playing with his cars.
This has the wheels smaller.
Small Hot Wheels?
Yes, this has the small wheels.
Oh, small wheels.
See?
Very nice racing car.
Hot Wheels, right?
Anyways, guys, see you guys, and thank you for watching. So stay tuned, man. I got a great haul, man. I got a definitely great haul coming up. So just stay tuned, and yeah, man. That's it. That's all I got. See you guys.